So we want to know what the meaning is of area and what is the meaning of slope. So what is area? How do you calculate the area?
Or you find the mean between the other two sides, and then you multiply the length by the side. It's a side. It's a length.
Yeah,
times
let's
width.
put it this way. Area. I think this is what you just said. Like I say, I forgot to put my hearing aids in, so I didn't hear every word, but I've got the gist of it. Area is the mean of A and B multiplied by delta T. Would you accept that as kind of what you wanted to say?
Yeah.
Okay. So, what do we mean by the mean of A and B in this case? Hold on for a second, let everybody think. What does the mean of A and B represent? You start answering that question, write down what does A represent and what does B represent. Just jot down what you think A represents and what B represents. Probably not going to give you time to completely jot it down, but I want you to get in mind what you will jot down if I do. I've got to find the video of the tower Kevin built with dominoes.
You could build a tower.
Incidentally, there's a
Hold up.
penalty for playing with dominoes. You'll find out what it is because you're going to get to set it up.
Yeah, once you get.
You're going to have fun with it. Okay.
Once you get so tall, it doesn't stay like.
Now, what have you written down?
I wrote.
What are you going to write down? Okay, you guys, what's the meaning of A and what's the meaning of B? Putting you on the spot a little bit because you're playing with dominoes, but that's okay because, as I say, you're going to get to do a really neat experiment with dominoes.
Yay.
Okay? What do A and B represent? Yes?
It's the sides of the trapezoid.
Yeah.
So it's going to be the average rate of change.
Yeah, exactly. Very good. Very good.
I can't
Okay.
even read your handwriting.
Good.
I wouldn't copy off of you.
Good.
So
Start
A
writing it in, like,
and
right to
B,
left, like different sheet.
I can read that.
are rates of change.
This is
So the
average
mean
velocity.
of A and B is your average rate of change
You're just supposed to get something.
of Y with respect to T. Okay? So, that's a fairly straightforward idea. Everybody understand it? If A and B are your rates of change, the mean of A and B is your average rate of change, right?
Yep.
Now there's a little asterisk with that. That's provided you have a straight line here, but we do have a straight line here because this is a trapezoid, right? Okay? So what does the area represent?
What does the area? Let's see.
Well, yeah. Again, think of writing it out. If I give you time, which you don't know whether I'm going to or not, but if I give you time, you should be able to write it out. So at least start writing it out. You don't know how long I'm going to give you. Maybe I want to see it written, but at least think through what you're going to write.